So update, why 5 panty? No, 4 panty. Why 4 panty of a 5,000? 5,000 yen. Which should have been like, I don't know how much in a USD. But why 4 panty of a 5,000 yen? Yes, I'm gonna buy no dress. Do you eat jackfruit? And my job. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So where did I left off? It was about a pool. So nah, we were in the mall. Let's go. Zara, maybe so in Zara. By the way, you're probably wondering why do I have an umbrella? Well, pro tip, while in Malaysia, you need a mini umbrella. The rain will start and stop, then start, then stop. See, bring an umbrella if you're going to Malaysia. Yes. Bye. Them have it in another color as a top as well. It's really beautiful. It is that and it's so right. But the color combination is cute. Look at this dress. Isn't it gorgeous? It is so beautiful. Like what? But look at this. Best part about it. And I find every friggin' one of them. Is that in a store, right? But the color combination here. Yes, how much PT we do the best part of us? So this price tag $3.29 and the best part of us. So that's wild. Buy to get one free. Okay, so while editing, I must add that in Malaysia, there's a very popular fruit. It's called durian. Stink bad, but they love it. So like Jamaica, you have Jamaican apple. To Malaysia, they have durian. And it's also popular in Indonesia, Thailand, a lot of Asian countries, and Philippines as well. The fruit stink, but I mean, to each his own. You should try it. You should try it. Hey, so I'm back to add some context. Here I was trying some sweet treats. I really like the cupcakes look good, the cookies look good, but I end up going with the banana muffin. Delicious, deliciosa. I don't know, but it was really yummy, really good. I would definitely recommend this bakery if you're ever in Malaysia. Here I was telling you which one I was trying to choose, whether the carrot or the banana. If you're ever in Malaysia and you go to the big mall, try it. Bye. Here's some stuff that you can buy in Malaysia. Like the malls are crazy, like some huge malls. You have designer, you have luxury, you have gold, you have silver. Shopping in Malaysia seems quite top tier. I would definitely recommend. I was traveling on a budget here, so I didn't really go intending to buy, just went to see and explore. But I would recommend shopping in Malaysia. They have some cool stuff there. Zara was pretty good. So in the store now, I exit the store because the mall closed. Make my muffin. I just want to say these are the things that I think about while traveling. Yup.
I just told them that.
Thinking about food
And the KFC open.
while eating food.
KFC probably lock.
Yeah, nice car tonight. The fare is 12 Malaysian. I ordered a mix, but they sent straight spicy chicken. Now my boss is about to blow up. Like, what? It's given KFC, Jamaica. It's given spicy KFC, Jamaica. Wow! This was spicy KFC, Jamaica. That's what Malaysia. McDonald's is given. That's good. That's
I
really
just want
good.
to add that it was McDonald's and not even KFC. McDonald's and chicken bad. Okay, so today we're going to a very famous temple in Malaysia. Really beautiful. It's basically the Chinese temple there. And here I'm just showing some pictures how I set up to take my own pictures on the day, showing you around the property. Beautiful, beautiful temple. It was a bit overcast on the day, but I got some cute pictures, cute videos, and I learned a bit about their culture. It's crazy. Malaysia has is a mixture of everything. Chinese, Indonesian, them have them draw a bit of everything there. And so the culture, it transfer as well. Bye. Back again to say that I tried something here, some sweets here, and it looked like blue jars. It looked like Jamaican blue jars, and it actually made from a bit of coconut. I think was added, brown sugar and something else. Did it taste good? Yeah, I forgot to ask another comment. Oh, I think it tastes. And I think it tastes good. What do you think? Do you think it was good? Was it bad? What do you think? It was given blue jars. What a proper name for blue jars? What is a proper name for blue jars? I don't know. I'm gonna leave that.
This one, the lychee paradise. You say lychee or lychee? Is the black pepper beef good?
Yeah, good.
Which or black pepper beef?
Good.
Both good. Which one number? Which one choose? That one. Okay. Give me the beef. Yeah.
Okay, so for lunch I had the black pepper beef with rice and egg on the side. So of course in Asia everybody love eggs, so you know you had to have your egg on your meal. This was actually pretty good. Yes, a whole heap of gravy. Yes, it's a lot of gravy. However, it was really good, hot and delicious. And who knew that egg on top of beef, black pepper beef with gravy and rice could taste so good? Yeah. Would you eat it though? Like, only thing say egg belong pan rice and beef. I don't know. Younger me would be a bit skeptic, but after living in Japan, I mean, if it floats your boat, if it floats your boat. But it was actually pretty good, really good. I would definitely recommend this restaurant in the mall. This is a mall where you have the Twin Towers in Malaysia. Really good food, hot and delicious. Anyways, bye. By the way, I should just add that it had in a lot of green peppers, onion, and seasoning, so it was really delicious, very flavorful. The ice cream spot, that Biscoff ice cream right there. I don't know if you can hear me while I was recording, but the Biscoff ice cream, 100 out of 10, 1000 out of 10, yummy. And I love Biscoff, yeah, I love the airplane biscuit, but the ice cream right there, refined, delicious, chef kiss. This ice cream shop is also in the mall. However, you must know that the ones with the star beside them, I believe, as I was showing in the video, are a bit more pricey, but definitely worth the money.
There's a thing where you have premium flavors are the ones with the stars. And the regular flavors are cheap.
So on this day, I was trying to get some videos and some pictures of my Instagram. Security he took me the entire time. I had to change the location. I went downstairs to take some more pictures, and he was upstairs. Let's go to the mosque. This experience was such a beautiful one. I really took some time to like realize myself, because I mean, we're not going to really touch too much on the religious aspect of life, but the past 2 years have been quite a struggle for me, and I have studied about Buddhism and actually go there and learn about Buddhism, Muslim, and I think as I was saying that Malaysia is quite a dynamic culture. So I went to the mosque and they were in the Chinese. So it's a bit of a mixture. However, I can't say that but you never try them. No, the Muslim way of life. That's how, If you're ever in Malaysia, I would recommend that you go to the Blue Mosque. They have a very interactive session that they give a tour, and you go around for free, and you go around and you learn different things about their culture, about their way of life, their religious beliefs. And it's crazy that some of the things in Christianity, it aligns so well with their religion. So that was quite interesting. Do it. Me not say indoctrinate in them religion and all of them something there, but just go out and learn something new. Yeah, go out, dress as how they would dress for their place of worship, and just learn something. Or a lot of us study religious education in high school, and so on. You actually experience it, and you realize, I mean, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. it was a great experience for me. A lot of their teachings, a lot of their beliefs, I can understand. And the pink looks so good on me. The hair looks so good on me. We're not going to talk about how that hair. It's you know what? I'm going to leave it. This is a beautiful day. Big up the hair from AliExpress. If you ever want the link, just drop a comment and I'll send it to you. Okay, so the lady is going to go on and speak about something that's very, very, very important, and I found it quite interesting. All right, I always say, a lot of us never saw God before, we never really meet Jesus Christ in person. However, there are many depictions of him, drawings, black Jesus, white Jesus, beige Jesus, and so on. But in their religion, they're saying that they've never seen him before. So what do you notice?
And D.
And right here,
D from Jamaica.
right here was a good moment, because I could understand where they're coming from and why they do what they do. So listen up. Anyways, later.
First time.
Okay, how do you know about the mosque?
My friends from Jamaica came in March,
Okay.
so I wanted to come and see it.
He suggested that this is this is very nice in terms of structure, and since you are here, that's why we just like taking for the tour. At least we can give some introductory instead of you just taking the photo.
Okay.
So it might be much better for you, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so what we have here, mosque, is not only for the prayer, but it's also at a community services. We have like the wedding hall, we have like the laundry, restaurant, the school downstairs. But this is the main prayer
room.
Yes. So if you realize when you're coming up, when you see the ceiling, when you see the arch, or to the wall, or to the floor, if you observe carefully, it's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
But rather than that, what is something missing that you cannot observe here, that is not there? What do you think?
There's
Any idea?
there's no drawing on the wall.
Yes, there's no like human.
Yes, pictures.
Animals.
And I must say, she did not tell a lie. It was beautiful. Like, yeah, the engravements, beautiful.
Idol worshipping. We don't use scripture or human scripture for us to as a intermediary. We pray direct to God, and God is no one has seen him, so we cannot imagine him.
Yeah.
So if we cannot imagine, how we want to
draw a picture of him.
to put in a picture, or so that's why Islam forbidden that. But how to replace the decoration? Then we replace with geometric design, with the flora.
And they did quite well with those designs. So yeah,
This geometric
go and check them out. If you're ever in Malaysia and you want to do something cool, something a bit more educational, try it out. By the way, that tour guide, fantastic, great, very informative, plus she took nice pictures, so that's always a plus. But very, very informative. Here are all the books that they have to study.
Show us, guide us to the straight path, because every day we always go like this, right? So we ask God to show us a straight path. Muslim people can produce it immediately within 24 hours, because millions of people, Muslim people, memorize this one. So
At what age do you need to memorize it by?
it's not compulsory. It's not compulsory.
Like the little boy, he would know the.
I mean the first one.
The first
Then,
one.
the first one is a must because we have to recite in our prayer, but not cover to cover. But you are being a good servant if you memorize this
Cover to
cover
cover.
to cover.
Okay, it's quite obvious I was way too excited about my outfit. Yes. I really love the headscarf. The dress was beautiful. It was soft. The fabric was very soft against my skin. So yes, I felt beautiful. I thank you and goodbye. At the end of the tour, we got water and you could make a donation and some pamphlets. The mosque was absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. And I felt gorgeous. And I thank you again. Thank you for watching the vlog. Keep on watching the vlog. Comment, like, share. By the way, subscribe. Turn on your post notification. Question: have you ever been to a mosque?
Main gate for grab.
So right here, the security guards wanted to take a photo with me. Like they were so excited. You see, he was like fixing his hair and stuff, and I did it with so many of them. But my storage, I was completely out of storage. But look at them riding away. They were so excited to take pictures with me. At first, I thought I was doing something wrong because they were all crowded at the gate. And then I realized they just want to take some pictures with me. Anyways, we're in Chinatown. Let's see what Chinatown, Malaysia is all about. I heard all the good stuff in a Chinatown. So, let's go to Chinatown. Wow, they had so many things on the streets. When I tell you designer on the low. Designer on the low. Really great stuff that had out there. You had different qualities. You had a low quality, maybe right up until a high quality. This is for educational purposes only, just putting it out there for YouTube. Educational purposes only. They were doing fresh cashew in the back. You could get durian, as I was telling it there. That's their like main fruit. You could get coconut water. I had a lot of coconut water that day. I think I had like 3 coconuts. Yeah, on that day I had like 3 coconuts. Sweet, yummy, juicy, because the flesh on the inside was on point. I really enjoyed myself in Chinatown. Again, I wasn't looking to buy anything, but I got some Gucci socks, LV socks, and another brand. I don't remember what it was, but I got some really cute socks in Chinatown. And again, educational purposes, just highlighting the quality and the stuff that are out there in society. Just now, that was a Bob Marley shirt. Bob, all the way over Malaysia. Big up Bob, big up Marley. Here I am buying fresh coconuts. Yeah. If it's one thing I'm going to do when I travel in Asia is buy fresh coconuts. Those are the socks right there. And now I'm gone. Bye-bye. My commentating is as confusing as the video. Anyways, my God, peace. The driver never knows part Jamaica there. That's crazy. How many people believe that Jamaica is in Africa? I mean, of course, that's our blood over there, yeah. Jamaica, yeah. We probably should have done over Africa for true, but we're not, and a lot of people don't know that. I must talk about this juice right there. It looks like a piece of meat, right? That looks like a piece of chicken, but it's not. Guess what is that? What do you think that is? Stop what you're doing and tell me what you think that is. I thought at first it was a piece of chicken, but what do you think it is? Tell me in the comments. I actually want to talk to you guys in the comments. Tell me in the comments, what do you think it is? Anyways, for real, I'm going to allow you guys to just watch the video now. The food here was really good. I must say before I go, that white crackers type thingy, yummy. I think it's like the Malaysian version of crackers. It's not Japanese rice crackers, which is fresh and not the best, but their crackers, it has a bit of a seasoning to it. Yummy. That fried rice that you see right there, that shrimp fried rice, egg fried rice, 10 out of 10 would recommend. The egg on the side comes in so well, and that juice, wow. That was a mango, oh my god, the name, Jesus beam. I just gave the name of what it was. Did you come in right? Did you get it right? Anyways, I'm gonna now watch the video. It took me 5 minutes, but I got it. Lassi. It's a mango lassi. Mango, lychee, or lychee, lassi. I thank you. Bye. But lassi, that's what the drink is called. Lassi. It's a mango lassi. Here I am posting away with my crackers. Peaceful. But yeah, later, whenever I drink lassi, have you ever had lassi before? It's a Asian Indian type drink made with a lot of milk, but really good. You should try it. Let me know if you ever tried it before. That's another thing for you to comment in. You see, you cannot say I'm not asking you to comment in my little comment box. Have you ever tried lassi before? Tell me in the comments if you ever tried lassi before. If you like lassi, if you like mango lassi, let me know. Oh, I have to comment. Here I am having Malaysian tea. Tea is very popular there. Milk tea is very popular there, and they use, it's like Tetley. What's the name of it? What's the name of the brand? It's like black tea, but they just add milk to it. That's what I thought it was given.
Some black tea with milk that you get from America.
I think of that man say right there, so it's like black tea and they add milk to it. But it was good. It was hot. It was good. Cheers.
So that one the white night, right? Come on, take a spoon. It's a lychee.
Surprise! So if you didn't know, I did a big chop once more. So yeah, I'm a low girl now, a low cut, boy fade.
Oh, we bought jackfruit. We found jackfruit. Like, I'm just drink some Milo. No, it tastes good. But I really want to try the jackfruit. So, here it goes. Okay, the skin on the inside. So what's it? I'm gonna eat that part there. What? That was a seed. That was a seed. A year's gonna eat jackfruit today? You like jackfruit? Yeah. Wow, them are sweet. May I read my book? Jackfruit is a 10. That was good. Do you like your fruit? Do you eat jackfruit? And my job. Thank you to my job. Job up on all of this. And my job. Thank you to my job. Alright then. I'm gonna read it now. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna go buy one more of this. This is really good. Like, I could buy one more of it. One more container. They're sweet, chunky, really good. I chew very loud.
Why? Why was I chewing so loudly? Jesus, Pim.
10, 10, 10 across the board. What my cheeks all apart? 10, 10, 10, 10 across the board. Alright. Bye. Jackfruit.
Like, kill me dead really. I do an advertisement right here, so I'll dim the light. Jackfruit. For you and for me.
And just like that.
Oh, the Malta was so good. Malta in Malaysia is really, really good. And here I am saying goodbye to a beautiful city. Thank you so much, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. I think that's how you say it, for having me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, tell a friend, turn on your post notification. Thank you so very much for watching. I am going to practice to do more talking videos where I am in the front and not behind the camera. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, night, week, month, year. Big up yourself, bless up yourself. Bye. Yeah, a lot more videos will be coming. This hotel was actually really good. Outside of the few things that I have problem with as it relates to like the cleanliness. Outside of that, and they actually try to be as attentive as possible. Outside of that, great location. And it was pretty good. Big bed. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Please, ladies and gentlemen, return for the next video. Turn on your post notifications, subscribe, like, comment, share. Big up yourself again. Thank you so very much. Bye.
We're here and we're off to catch another flight. From Mina and jacket. They didn't say the flight me about to catch because some of these airports so cool. So I'm gonna find level 3 now.